of joy!
There, sunshine friends! I'm Sunny the Squirrel. I live in this big, beautiful forest. And guess what? Today, you get to meet my birdie buddies. Let's warm up our wings. Flap, flap, flap. Look up! That's Polly the parrot. She's so colorful and she talks like me. Let's say, hello, Polly. Hello. Ha, ha, ha. Polly's always chatting. Shh, do you hear that soft sound? That's Daisy the dove. She's gentle and calm. Can you say, dove? Now flap your arms slow like Daisy, just like this. Time to visit the chilly place. Meet Pip the penguin. He waddles when he walks. Can you say penguin? Now waddle with me. Waddle, waddle. Tweet, tweet. Who sings so sweet? It's Ruby the robin. She loves mornings. Say, robin. Now, sing. Tweet, tweet, tweet. The sky is dark. Who's that? It's Ollie the owl. He's awake at night. Say, owl. Now hoot with me. Hoo hoo. Let's say all their names one more time. Parrot, dove, penguin, robin, owl. Great job, little explorers! Give yourself a Sunny Squirrel clap. And don't forget to flap that like button and fly over to subscribe. See you next time with me, Sunny the Squirrel. Bye-bye, birdie buddies.
Hat of joy!